Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I'm making it my mission to find out which one is the better investment, Pokemon TCG products or investing in the stock market. And if how I'm doing this is by investing $200 every single day of my own money into the stock market and also keeping track of equivalent value with Pokemon TCG products in a virtual collection or virtual investment. So if you guys are new or haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button, press the like button. I would really appreciate you, and you'll stay up to date with all my updates. So day 5 of investing $200 every single day, but I haven't used any of that for Pokemon TCG products because I think higher end products tend to move up the most. So I've been waiting until I have enough to buy my first one, which today I did. The Evolving Skies booster box going for $823. So I added that to my virtual investment, leaving me $177 that I can further invest in Pokemon TCG products. And I'm thinking that I'm going to be going for the Latios, Altart, because I think that's has a lot more room to grow. And I had this as a PSA 10 and it was one of the best investments I did there. And I would normally go for PSA 10s, but I'm trying to keep track of this as easy as possible. So if I just have it as a raw card, we can just go based off TCG player prices, right? So I'm going to be going for that. It's $903 or so. So I have a ways to go. But in the stock market side of things, today there was some movement. Usually it's been pretty stale, but today the tech companies came out to play. And of course, I have a good tech play. I believe AI technology companies are going to be doing really well, extremely well in the future. So that's my reasoning for that. But today I have an $800 portfolio balance and it increased by $6, 1.5%. Now, days like this, I wish I had more money invested into the stock market, of course, to get a bigger return, right? A 1% out of 8,000, for example, would be way more. So I'm thinking that I'm actually going to inject $2,000 into the stock market and Pokemon products because I want them to be equal before the end of the week. And the reason for this is because I was mentioning last time, the US presidential elections are coming up and I want to take advantage of that. I won't get into the politics, but if my person doesn't win, right, I still want to win financially. So I'm going to be investing $2,000 before the end of the week to take advantage of that. And the reason that I haven't done this before, invested a lump sum and just doing $200 every day, is because I thought that it would be better to do this, the $200 every day. That way, if the price went up the next day or down the next day, I can cost average. But now I'm thinking that it would have been actually better to have a lump sum to start off with and then do the $200 every single day. And the reason for this is because let's say I started with $2,000 invested, right? The next day, you don't know if the stock is going to go up or you don't know if it's going to go down. Now, if it went down, since I'm investing $200 every single day, that wouldn't affect me too much because I'll be able to cost average down, right? Lower the average of all the shares by buying lower and lower. So that would have been all right. And if it went up, then it would have made me more money, right? So that's what I'm thinking now, that I'm going to be injecting this $2,000 because I think it's a good idea from what I've just explained. If it keeps going down the next day, I'm still buying, so I'll go down with it. And those are the updates that I wanted to give you guys. Again, if you guys made it throughout this whole video, please press the like button. All right, fams, appreciate you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.